Looking for a rock and roll getaway with all the luxury trimmings? Let me tell you about the Hard Rock Hotel Vallarta, a 5-star all-inclusive resort that opened its doors in 2019 in the stunning Riviera Nayarit region of Mexico. This place sits right on the golden sands of Nuevo Vallarta, where the Pacific Ocean meets serious entertainment vibes. The hotel is built with that signature hard rock flair, featuring guitar-shaped architecture that you can spot from miles away. It is part of the gated Punta Esmeralda community, offering both security and style. With 348 rooms and suites spread across the property, this resort manages to blend family-friendly fun with adults-only sophistication. The place has earned some serious recognition too, including the TripAdvisor Travelers Choice Award for 2024 and 2025, plus the Booking.com Guest Review Award for 2025. Guests consistently rate it between 8.4 and 4.6 out of 5 across major booking platforms, which is pretty impressive for a resort of this size. What really sets this place apart is how it takes the rock and roll theme seriously without making it feel gimmicky. You will find music memorabilia throughout the property, live performances nearly every night, and even record players with vinyl collections in some of the higher-tier suites. The resort underwent some refreshing updates in 2024, particularly in the rock spa and pool areas, adding new cabanas and updated loungers to keep everything feeling fresh and modern. When it comes to accommodations, the Hard Rock Hotel Vallarta does not mess around. Every single room comes loaded with rock spa bath products, a minibar that gets restocked daily, 24-hour room service, and complimentary Wi-Fi throughout your stay. The entry-level Rock Royalty Deluxe rooms measure 43 square meters and come with either a king bed or 2 queens, a sitting area, and a private balcony. These rooms feature smart televisions, Nespresso machines for your morning caffeine fix, in-room safes, plush robes and slippers, and hydro spa tubs that are perfect for unwinding after a day in the sun. You can choose between garden, pool, or ocean views depending on your preference and budget. These rooms can accommodate up to 4 people, making them ideal for families with a couple of kids. The guitar tower views from these rooms are particularly impressive, and you even get a pillow menu so you can customize your sleeping experience. Prices for these rooms range from about $350 to $450 per night during the summer months, climbing to $600 to $800 during peak winter holiday periods. Step up to the Rock Suite and you are looking at 86 square meters of space with separate living and dining areas plus 2 balconies. These suites add a wet bar, an actual record player with a vinyl collection, and an Xbox gaming console to keep everyone entertained. Some Rock Suites even come with private plunge pools, which is a game changer when you want to relax without heading to the main pool areas. These oceanfront beauties can sleep up to 5 people and run between $700 and $900 in the low season, jumping to $1,200 to $1,600 when everyone wants to visit. At the top of the accommodation pyramid sits the Heavenly Suite, a massive 129 square meters featuring 2 bedrooms, a spacious living room, and a rooftop terrace that will make your Instagram followers seriously jealous. These suites come with butler service, a private cinema projector for movie nights, panoramic ocean views that stretch forever, an infinity rooftop pool just for you, and even an outdoor grill for those times when you want to cook your own meal. The Heavenly Suite accommodates up to 6 guests and starts at around $1,500 per night, climbing past $2,500 during peak times. The decor throughout all room categories features vibrant reds and blacks with guitar artwork and music-themed touches that remind you exactly where you are staying. Past guests particularly rave about the spacious bathrooms with those luxurious tubs and the incredible sunset views from the ocean-facing balconies. Dining at this resort is a serious adventure with 6 full restaurants and 4 bars all included in your stay, and yes, that includes premium liquor. CavaBelle is the fine dining option where you will want to dress smart casual and make a reservation ahead of time. This elegant restaurant serves international fusion cuisine with highlights like lobster thermidor, wagyu steak, and impressive ceviche towers that are almost too pretty to eat. The restaurant seats about 80 people and operates for dinner service from 6 in the evening until 11 at night. They host wine tastings on Friday and Saturday nights if you want to expand your palate. For authentic Mexican flavors, Frida delivers with vibrant decor featuring colorful murals that celebrate Mexican culture. This restaurant serves lunch and dinner from noon until 11 at night and operates on a walk-in basis, though it can get busy during peak times. The menu features classics like mole poblano, tacos al pastor, and churros for dessert. They run special Taco Tuesdays that draw big crowds. If you are craving Asian flavors, Monchi's offers Pan-Asian cuisine including sushi rolls, pad thai, and teppanyaki-style cooking. This spot seats about 100 guests and serves lunch and dinner, though reservations are advised, especially for the popular sushi nights. The Beach Club Grill gives you that perfect beachfront casual dining experience where you can show up in your swimwear and grab burgers, fresh fish, salads, and other grill favorites. This is the most relaxed dining option, seating about 150 people and serving everything from breakfast at 7 in the morning through dinner until 10 at night. Their Sunday barbecues are legendary among returning guests. The poolside bar is exactly what it sounds like, a swim-up bar where you can order margaritas, nachos, and other snacks without leaving the water. It operates from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening and features a live DJ most afternoons to keep the party vibe going. Between all these options, you will find plenty of variety to keep your taste buds happy throughout your entire stay, whether that is 3 days or 3 weeks. The pool situation at Hard Rock Hotel Vallarta deserves its own spotlight because this resort takes aquatic relaxation seriously. There are 4 distinct pools spread across the property, each serving a different purpose and crowd. The main infinity pool is the crown jewel, measuring 1,200 square meters with depths ranging from 1.2 to 1.5 meters, and it features an adults-only section for those times when you want peace and quiet. This pool seems to blend right into the ocean horizon, creating those perfect photo opportunities that make everyone back home jealous. Then there is the family pool, complete with a water slide that keeps kids entertained for hours while parents relax nearby. The kids' splash pool is designed specifically for the little ones with shallow water and fun features that are safe for toddlers and young children. For those seeking maximum tranquility, the quiet pool offers a more serene environment away from the main action. All pools are heated during the winter months, which is a nice touch when the evenings get slightly cooler. 2 of the pools feature swim-up bars where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and cabanas are available around the pool areas if you want some shade and privacy. The pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, giving you plenty of time to enjoy them whether you are an early bird or a night owl. The resort provides towels, waiter service throughout the pool areas, and even kids' floaties for the young swimmers. As for the beach, you are looking at 300 meters of golden sand frontage on Banderas Bay, where the waters tend to be calm and perfect for swimming. The beach offers complimentary kayaks, paddleboards, and snorkeling equipment, while paid activities include jet skiing and parasailing for the more adventurous guests. Beach butlers roam the sand, making sure you have everything you need, from fresh drinks to extra towels. Loungers and palapas are available on a first-come, first-served basis, though the resort has plenty to go around except during the absolute busiest times. The combination of multiple pools and direct beach access means you will never feel crowded or struggle to find your perfect spot in the sun. When it comes to activities beyond the pools and beach, this resort keeps you moving if that is what you want. The Rock Gym lives up to its name with a full array of cardio machines, free weights, TRX suspension training equipment, Peloton bikes, and even a boxing area for those who want to work on their fitness vacation style. The gym operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, so early risers and night owls alike can get their workouts in. Daily fitness classes include yoga, Zumba, and high-intensity interval training, with the schedule available through the resort's mobile app. Beyond the gym, the resort offers beach volleyball, tennis courts, and organized sports activities throughout the week. Water sports on the beach range from the calm and peaceful like paddleboarding and kayaking to the adrenaline-pumping like jet skiing and parasailing. Snorkeling equipment is provided free of charge, and the waters around Nuevo Vallarta offer decent underwater viewing, though this is not a major diving destination. The resort also organizes excursions to nearby attractions, making it easy to explore the surrounding area without the hassle of planning everything yourself. Evening entertainment is a major draw here with nightly live music performances, foam parties that get wild, and DJ sets at the poolside from 5 until 10 in the evening. The resort brings in tribute bands for rock star performances and hosts fire shows on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday nights that draw big crowds. Seasonal events include a massive New Year's beach concert and special Dia de Muertos themes in November that celebrate Mexican culture. The entertainment team works hard to keep the energy high without being obnoxious or pushy, which is a fine line that many resorts struggle with but Hard Rock seems to have mastered. The Rock Spa is where this resort really shows its commitment to wellness and relaxation. This facility features 20 treatment rooms spread across a beautifully designed space that feels miles away from the party atmosphere of the pools. The signature treatment is the Rock Spa Hydrotherapy Circuit, which takes you through various water-based therapies designed to relax muscles and calm the mind. Beyond that, the spa menu includes hot stone massages, facials using premium products, body wraps, and couples rituals for those romantic getaways. The hot stone massage is particularly popular and uses heated stones placed on key points of your body to release tension and promote deep relaxation. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, ice fountain for those brave enough to try the cold therapy, a relaxation lounge where you can decompress before or after treatments, and a full-service salon for hair, nails, and beauty services. The spa operates from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, giving you plenty of flexibility to book treatments around your other activities. You can reserve spa treatments through the resort's mobile app or on the official website, and they recommend booking at least 24 hours in advance, especially for popular time slots and treatments. The spa staff receives consistent praise in guest reviews for their professionalism and skill, with many visitors saying the treatments rival high-end spas in major cities. The 2024 renovations added some nice touches to the spa area, refreshing the decor and updating some of the equipment to keep everything feeling modern and luxurious. Prices for spa treatments are not included in the all-inclusive package, but they are reasonable compared to similar resort spas, and the quality justifies the cost according to most guests who have experienced them. Families traveling with children will appreciate the Roxity Kids Club, which caters to kids aged 4 through 12 with a packed schedule of activities. The club operates from 9 in the morning until 9 at night, giving parents plenty of freedom to enjoy adult activities or simply relax without worrying about keeping the kids entertained. The program includes arts and crafts sessions where kids can create souvenirs to take home, a mini disco that lets them dance and burn off energy, games and activities designed for different age groups, and supervised playtime with trained staff members who genuinely seem to enjoy working with children. The kids' club area is colorful and well-equipped with age-appropriate toys, games, and activities. In 2025, the resort added virtual reality experiences for kids, which has been a huge hit according to recent reviews. Beyond the kids' club, the resort offers family-friendly activities like beach games, pool activities designed for all ages, and special family dinner nights at some of the restaurants. The family pool with its water slide is obviously a major draw for kids, and parents consistently mention in reviews that their children made friends and had a blast throughout their stay. The resort also provides cribs, high chairs, and other baby equipment upon request, making it easier for families traveling with very young children. Some rooms can accommodate up to 4 or even 6 people depending on the category, so families do not necessarily need to book multiple rooms. The staff throughout the resort seems genuinely kid-friendly without being over the top, striking that balance between attentive and allowing families their space. Teen-friendly activities are somewhat limited compared to options for younger kids, which is worth noting if you are traveling with teenagers who might get bored with the younger kids' activities. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.